Hello everyone. As we know that the calculation is a very important part of mathematics. I say not only for the mathematics, it is an important part of other subjects also. So because of the wrong calculation, we get wrong answer. And what is the reason behind these wrong calculations? As per my concern, there are so many reasons, but today we will concentrate our topic to the calculations with decimal numbers. Most of the time when numbers are given in a decimal and we do calculations, it become wrong, especially in multiplication and division. So today we will discuss about that. Let we take two numbers, 23.01 and 1.002, and to add these number, what we do for addition, the same rule. First write any number and again you write another number, but the decimal must be below the decimal. So I will put here 1.002. Now you can add it. Wherever there is a gap, you can put 0, here also. So this much 2, 1, 0, 0.3 plus 1, 4, and this one 24. So this is the method for adding two decimal numbers, and similarly for subtraction also. Let us subtract this number from 23.01, as we know that 23.01 is more than the 1.002. So 23.01, let us write in the same way. Decimal should be just below the decimal. So 1.002 for subtraction. Wherever the gap, you put 0, as we know that there will be no change in a value. So to subtract 2 from 0, we have to take carry. This become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. This one is 0, 0.2, and this one 2. These are the methods to for the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. But my concern for the multiplication and for the multiplication, what we do, we write 23.01 and we write this 1.2 and we multiply. In that case, what we do, we multiply, and concerning this, after considering the points, we put the point. But I am not going in that traditional way. I am not going in that traditional way. Just see, just you take 2301, remove the decimal and take here 12. Now look, the difference between these two, you are very comfortable with the multiplication of these numbers, but when point is there, your mind will see it in a complex manner. Now I am going to multiply this directly. I am going to multiply the 12 into 12, 2, 1, 6, 27. Now we will put the decimal at the place. So count the number of places where the decimal is there. For here 1, 2 after 2 places, and here after 1 place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will put decimal after 3 places. Always we will count from the right side, unit place. 1, 2, 3. So its answer will be 27.612. Here you can use my single line multiplication method also. Look very complicated. So what we will do, we will make it 145,002, and this one is 101. First you multiply this, 20054 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 2 0 0 5 4 1. Now add this 2 0 2 5 4 6 4 1. So this will be our answer 1 4 6 4 5 2 0 2. But where will be the point? 1 2 3. After 3 places plus 2 places, 3 plus 2 equals to 5 places. We will put our decimal 1 2 3 4 5. So see, when point is there, our mind become confused or it becomes a little bit complex. So first, what will I do for the division? Make it 45 and 3, remove the decimal, and here also remove the decimal. Now you see it become very easy. I can divide it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 1 ja 3, 15, and it becomes 151, or you can divide it by this one. 3 1 ja 3, 1 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now so what will be the answer for this? For this you have to consider the decimal. It is decimal at one place, after one place, and here also after. In case of the division we have to subtract. So after one place, minus here after one place, so it becomes 0. So our answer will be 151. Okay, let us consider another example for the division. So what we do, we divide 255 and 5, remove the decimal, by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1 ja 5, again 5 1 ja 5. So we will get 511, but now we have to put the decimal. How will put the decimal? Here the decimal is at after one place. Here the decimal is after 1 2 place. So what is the answer? -1. When minus come, we have to put as much minus will come, we have to put as much as 0 here. We have to divide 282,031 by 12. 12 2 is a 24, 4 3 is a 36, 6 5 is a 60, 3 0 1 24. Here we will get 7. So here we will get 7 remainder. But what will be the answer? In this case the answer will be, we will put the decimal after which place? Here how many place? 3 place. Here 1 place. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we will put the decimal after 2 places. So 235.02 with remainder how much? 7. You can write here also. Now you can put this much or this after the. So this is the very easy way. In this way you can do the multiplication and division. So there will be less chances of the mistake. Thank you.